Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to play Bug Heroes Tower Defense and I'm going to show you guys in this tutorial that how I managed to get a mod, and it's pretty simple and easy to get it guys, and it works for the both devices. This mod I did it on my iPhone, I did also on my Samsung, so it works totally fine and it's the same steps for the both devices. So if you'd like me to make a tutorial for the for the Android users, just let me know in the comment section. I can do it for you guys also tutorial, even though the steps are the same. All right, so I'm just going to open the game real quick so you can see by yourself what I'm talking about, and then and then we'll go immediately to show you what I have done in order to get it the mod. As you can see guys, right over here I'm generating so much gems, coins and keys, and I can show you everything I did for myself so you can learn it also you. So before we start the whole thing guys, the whole process, all you have to do is just to make sure you have a good connection with your internet, so the whole process doesn't interrupt because of internet connection. And it will be good if you can get connected with Wi-Fi and have active the mobile data, so to be sure. And if you're not sure how to check this, I can show you immediately right now. You can just head to your settings and then over here to general and background app refresh, and you have background app refresh on top, and over here you have Wi-Fi mobile data. You just need to click this. Okay, then just get back to your settings again guys and scroll it down where is App Store, right over here, and down where it reads automatic downloads. In this app download you need to make it active. If you have it, switch it off. All right, so these changes that I show you to right now are just required to do it for the iOS users. If you are Android user, don't even go to the settings, you don't need to do any changes at all. So after guys, all you need to do is just go to your internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser that you prefer. You just have to go and search about this website. It's called Find APK Mods, and you need to enter inside this site. Okay, just here, and you will find a lot of other apps and a lot of other mods and games you can check later if you're interested for something else. If not, you can just go and search in the searching bar about this game only, but if you can search in the searching bar also for the other games. It's pretty easy to use it, and then press in the middle and then install now, and just wait a couple of seconds for the whole process to be done, and you'll be able to get the mod same as me. There are very simple steps, as you can see guys, to complete, and you'll be able to get the mod. So this is it guys, thank you for watching, see you in the next videos, cheers.